Hello, welcome to 714. In this class, you're going to be learning much more about yourself and how to apply that to your leadership style. So I wanted to take a moment to tell you a little bit more about me. My name is Heather Rasmussen, and I will be your instructor throughout this term. I'm excited to have you in this class, and I think you'll really enjoy this class. My background is actually as a psychologist, so this really fits my background, and I have experience teaching both online and on-ground doctoral students for about 10 years. And again, this is one of my favorite classes to teach, so I hope you'll enjoy it as much as I do. I live in Lawrence, Kansas with my husband and two daughters. I have an 11-year-old and a 7-year-old. I also have two dogs, two fish, and a somewhat moody bunny also in the household. And my family and I love to travel, and we love to do things as a family, play games, read, watch movies, all of that kind of stuff. Again, just wanted to let you know a little bit about myself and say hello again, more in person than just an email. And please don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions or concerns as we go throughout the course. Welcome.